Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Our next video, you won't want to miss it. This one, we're going to take it easy and just watch the train coming out of Carson City. The music is courtesy of Nevada Bluegrass Project, and the video is from Bob Elliott. Thank you.
Carson City Train. I'm riding on that Carson City Train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love one. Darling, you can't love one. Oh, you can't love one and have any fun. Oh, darling, you can't love one. I'm riding on that Carson City Train. I'm riding on that Carson City Train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love two. Darling, you can't love two. Oh, you can't love two, and your little heart be true. Oh, darling, you can't love two. I'm riding on that Carson City Train. I'm riding on that Carson City Train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Carson City Train. I'm riding on that Carson City Train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again.
Also, thanks, Chris. That was awesome.